Hi everybody, this is Reena of Passing It On, a culinary legacy for the next generation. Today I will be showing you an easy, simple mocha dessert. Okay, so for the ingredients, we have your tennis biscuit, your flake, your fresh cream, 250 ml fresh cream, your coffee, a cup of boiling hot water, and your caramel treat. Okay, for the first step, you're going to have a casserole dish. You can actually use the oven tray as well. So you're going to set the biscuit at the bottom. You can actually use your boudoir biscuit as well. Any sweet biscuit, your ginger snaps, but I prefer the tennis biscuit because it's got a crunchy taste to it as well. Okay. Just going to put that evenly. Okay, you've got, it's already lined up nicely, but I've got a few extra, so I'm just going to top it over. So we got a nice thick base as well. Okay, that's the last one. Okay, I'm just going to drop this over, all the broken pieces. Okay, so just going to settle this a bit. Okay, now I'm going to take the 1 cup of water that I have, boiling water. This is the coffee. I'm going to take 3 teaspoons of this. Okay, going to put it in here. 1, 2, like a strong black coffee. Okay, then you're going to stir this a bit. And then you're just going to pour this over the biscuit. This just seeps through the biscuit. You actually can get the taste of the coffee, the strong coffee. Okay. So for now, this is ready. You can just leave it lying around for about, say, 5 minutes, and I'll show you the next step. So the caramel treat is opened. I'm just going to scoop all this into the bowl. This has got a rich texture, so there's actually no need to add any more sugar. Okay, so I'm just going to stir that a bit. Just going to even this out, okay? Just even it out a bit. Okay, so this is ready. Now I'll show you how to whip the cream and put this all together. Okay, so for the next step, I've got my fresh cream here. You can use any brand. I'm using the Spring Meadow. So I'm just going to whip this a bit. You don't have to actually add sugar to this because you have the caramel treat. Okay, so I've got the fresh cream that's ready. I'm going to take your caramel treat and fold it into the fresh cream. Just going to fold this in. You can see the caramel treat is mixing nicely with the fresh cream. Okay. Right, so this is ready now. We can place it on the tennis biscuit base. Okay, so now I have my fresh cream and caramel treat. I'm just going to pour this over the biscuit. little splatter here. Okay, just gonna do that. Just gonna even this out. Okay, so I have my flake here. You can actually use your baking chocolate. You can use the white chocolate. You can actually use a bit of strawberry. I'm just going to put this. Okay. So this is now ready. Just place it into the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes, and after that it's ready to eat. Okay, I've taken it out of the fridge, and for about 15 minutes it's been sitting in the fridge. If you shake, you can see it's not too jelly, so it's okay. So I'm just going to spoon a bit here. Okay. And then to that, you can actually add your strawberry, whatever fruit you have. This is just my specialty. I can't put a lot there, Clint, because it's my husband's birthday tomorrow. So that is my simple mocha dessert. So from my kitchen to your kitchen, I wish you a week of prosperity, total healing upon you and your family. And remember, stay safe and stay blessed.